Hey fam, so we're gonna go ahead and chop this turkey up. Now this is the infamous turkey that we've had in the freezer since last year, November. We had it for Thanksgiving time, but wasn't able to use it. I I feel like we wasn't able to use it. Now this is a big 17-pound turkey. You can use it for anything, any event. You know, turkey is not just for the holidays. Pretty much what we are normally used to eating it around Thanksgiving time and Christmas time. But our kids don't like turkey like that. So with this, I thought it would be a fun idea, which everybody in the world right now can use different ways to use food up, budget friendly meals, or just to be able to just stock up your freezer. So when them weeknight meals come into play, or you just want something quick to take out, you'll already have that meat prep. So what we're going to do is create a series. This series is going to be called Chop That Turkey Up. And with chopping this turkey up, we're going to come up with different cuts and different ways to use the turkeys. Some of the turkey, we're going to grind it up. So that way we can have ground turkey meat for tacos or chilies, or if you want spaghetti, that's one option. Then we can have some turkey breasts that we may want to slice up, some turkey meat for maybe sandwiches or, you know, something like that. And then we can have some turkey for, I don't know, y'all. I'm still trying to get it together. I actually wrote down a whole list of things. Oh, some cream of turkey soup. So you know how you have the cream of chicken soup, the cream of mushroom soup? I wanted to make some cream of turkey soup. That way you can put it in your rice, or, you know, use for whatever side dishes that you want to. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I feel like this is going to be a good, valuable, you know, series that everybody can use. And not only just with turkey, but you can also use it for inspo when using a whole chicken. Break down the whole chicken the same way, and you can do the same thing with, you know, the chicken also. So this is going to be episode 1, you guys, for the Chop It Up Turkey series. Okay, so comment down below, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that way you can see all the videos that will be coming next. The next episode will be opening up this turkey and breaking it down. Y'all make sure y'all come on, watch the next episode.